Welcome to Cyber GRC Hub, your one-stop shop for anything cybersecurity and GRC. Imagine a fortress, built to withstand any attack. It has strong walls, watchful guards, and multiple layers of defense. Every layer is meticulously designed to keep intruders out, ensuring the safety of those inside. But what if there's a hidden passage, a weak point that no one noticed? This unnoticed flaw could be the very thing that compromises the entire fortress. That's what a vulnerability is in the digital world, a weakness that attackers can exploit. Just like the hidden passage, these vulnerabilities can be gateways for cybercriminals. Vulnerability assessments are like security audits for your computer systems, networks, and applications. They meticulously examine every aspect of your digital infrastructure. They help you find those hidden passages, those weak points before someone else does. By identifying these vulnerabilities early, you can take steps to fortify your defenses. In today's interconnected world, where cyber attacks are becoming more frequent and sophisticated, vulnerability assessments are no longer optional. They are a critical component of a robust cybersecurity strategy. They are essential for any organization that wants to protect its data, its reputation, and its bottom line. Regular assessments ensure that your defenses are up to date and capable of withstanding the latest threats. A vulnerability assessment is a systematic process of identifying and quantifying security weaknesses in your computer systems and networks. This process involves a thorough examination of your digital infrastructure, including servers, workstations, and network devices. It's like a health checkup for your digital assets. Just as you would visit a doctor for a regular health check to ensure your body is functioning well, think of it like this. You wouldn't drive a car without regular maintenance, right? Regular checkups help in identifying potential issues before they become major problems. You get it serviced, check the oil, and make sure everything is in working order. Similarly, in the digital world, vulnerability assessments are essential. Similarly, vulnerability assessments help you keep your digital assets in top shape, ensuring they are secure and resilient against attacks. They help in identifying weak points that could be exploited by malicious actors. These assessments involve scanning your systems for known vulnerabilities, analyzing the results, and understanding the potential threats, and prioritizing the risks based on their potential impact. This helps in focusing resources on the most critical vulnerabilities first. They provide you with a clear picture of your security posture, highlighting areas that need immediate attention. By addressing these vulnerabilities, you can significantly reduce the risk of a security breach. In today's digital landscape, businesses face an ever-evolving threat landscape. Cybercriminals are constantly finding new ways to exploit vulnerabilities and gain unauthorized access to sensitive information. Vulnerability assessments are crucial for several reasons. Identifying weaknesses. They help you proactively identify and address security loopholes before attackers can exploit them. Protecting sensitive data. They help safeguard your valuable data from breaches and cyber attacks, preventing financial losses and reputational damage. Meeting compliance requirements. Many industries have regulatory standards that mandate regular vulnerability assessments to ensure data security. Strengthening overall security posture. By identifying and mitigating vulnerabilities, you create a more secure and resilient IT environment. Just like a mechanic needs the right tools to fix a car, cybersecurity professionals rely on specialized tools for vulnerability assessments. These tools automate the process of scanning systems, identifying weaknesses, and generating reports. Here are 3 popular vulnerability assessment tools. Tenable Nessus, a widely used tool known for its comprehensive vulnerability database and accurate scanning capabilities. Qualys VMDR, a cloud-based solution that offers vulnerability management, detection, and response capabilities in a single platform. OpenVAS, a free and open-source vulnerability scanner that provides a cost-effective option for organizations with limited budgets. These tools use various techniques to uncover vulnerabilities such as network scanning, web application scanning, and database scanning. A step-by-step guide to conducting a vulnerability assessment. Conducting a vulnerability assessment might seem daunting, but it's a manageable process when broken down into steps. Here's a simplified guide to help you navigate through it effectively. Step 1. Define the scope. This is a crucial initial step where you determine the boundaries of your assessment. Determine which systems, networks, and applications will be included in the assessment. Clearly defining the scope helps in focusing your efforts and resources effectively. Step 2. Select the right tools. The tools you choose can significantly impact the effectiveness of your assessment. Choose the appropriate vulnerability assessment tools based on your specific needs and budget. There are various tools available, each with its own strengths and weaknesses. Step 3. Scan your systems. This involves using the selected tools to perform a thorough scan of your IT infrastructure. Use the selected tools to scan your IT infrastructure for known vulnerabilities. Ensure that the scan covers all the components defined in your scope. Step 4. Analyze the results. This step is critical for understanding the vulnerabilities identified during the scan. Review the scan results carefully to understand the identified vulnerabilities and their potential impact. This analysis will guide your remediation efforts. Step 5. Prioritize and remediate. Not all vulnerabilities are created equal, so it's important to prioritize them based on their severity. Focus on addressing the most critical vulnerabilities first based on their severity and potential impact. This ensures that you mitigate the most significant risks promptly. Step 6. Document your findings. Proper documentation is essential for future reference and compliance purposes. Create a comprehensive report that summarizes the identified vulnerabilities, remediation actions taken, and any residual risks. This report will serve as a valuable resource for ongoing security efforts and audits. Example of a vulnerability assessment report. A vulnerability assessment report provides a detailed overview of the security posture of your IT infrastructure. It typically includes the following sections. Executive summary. A high-level overview of the key findings and recommendations. Methodology. A description of the tools and techniques used during the assessment. Vulnerability findings. A list of identified vulnerabilities categorized by severity level, such as critical, high, medium, or low. Remediation recommendations. Specific steps to address each vulnerability, including software updates, configuration changes, or security patches. Conclusion. A summary of the overall security posture and recommendations for continuous improvement. Remediation. Fixing the weak spots. Identifying vulnerabilities is only half the battle. The next crucial step is remediation, taking action to fix the identified weaknesses. This might involve applying security patches, installing software updates released by vendors to address known vulnerabilities, configuring security settings, hardening systems and applications by configuring security settings to prevent unauthorized access, implementing security controls, deploying additional security measures such as firewalls, intrusion detection systems, and antivirus software. User education and training. Educating employees about cybersecurity best practices to prevent human error and social engineering attacks. Continuous monitoring, staying ahead of the game. The cybersecurity landscape is constantly evolving, with new threats emerging all the time. Therefore, vulnerability assessments shouldn't be a one-time event. Continuous monitoring is essential for maintaining a strong security posture. This involves regular vulnerability scans, conducting automated scans on a regular schedule like weekly or monthly to identify new vulnerabilities. Security information and event management, or CM, implementing a CM system to collect and analyze security logs from various sources, providing real-time threat detection and response. Threat intelligence. Staying informed about the latest cyber threats and vulnerabilities through threat intelligence feeds and industry publications. Building a safer digital world. In an increasingly interconnected world, vulnerability assessments are no longer a luxury, but a necessity. They are the foundation of a robust cybersecurity strategy, helping organizations protect their valuable assets and maintain the trust of their customers. By embracing a proactive approach to security, continuously monitoring for threats, and taking swift action to remediate vulnerabilities, we can create a safer and more secure digital world for everyone. Remember, security is not a destination, it's a journey. By staying vigilant, informed, and prepared, we can navigate the ever-changing threat landscape and build a more resilient digital future. What vulnerability management tool do you use? Let me know in the comment section. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe to CyberGRC Hub, and hit the notification bell for more cybersecurity insights.